What's going on, people? I'm about to show you how you would cut out a hole inside of your ductwork if you have a piece of ductwork like this that has a hole in it where basically you're losing your air or heat that's coming out right here, which makes it be weak coming out of your actual vent itself. What you can do is, as long as you have enough ductwork, is cut out this piece right here and then splice together the two good ends of the ductwork. That way there's no longer a hole that's inside of it. The first thing I'm going to do is basically pick from this side to this side and cut this whole piece out. And once I've done that, then I'm going to take me an actual connector and connect the two good ends together, and things should be fine. Alright, I'm about to do that now. Alright people, I'm about to start cutting out this hole now. As you can see, there's a big hole that's right here in this ductwork. So what I'm going to do is go about maybe 2 to 3 inches on each side or more, and basically take a pair of scissors. And first I got to cut through the actual installation itself and basically cut out this hole right here. You may need a pair of like wire cutters to actually cut the piece of wire that's actually inside of the ductwork itself. So what I'm doing right here is basically just cutting out the hole. So this is a piece of wire. I might be able to get through it with these scissors. If not, I'll have to get some wire cutters real quick. But I cut this side. The hole actually is right here. So I'm going to go on this side of the hole, and I'm going to cut through the insulation first, which is pretty simple to do. We're just basically cutting through the insulation. And once I get done with this, I'm going to take the wire cutters and actually clip. It's like pieces of wire, like metal wire, that's actually inside of the ductwork itself. Okay, so just keep cutting around so I can get all the way through. Okay, so as you can see now, the hole was right here. So what I want to do is basically remove this whole piece right here. So I'm gonna go get a piece, my wire cutters, and cut that. Alright, so I'm just using a pair of like basic wire cutters pretty much just to cut this right here. So I'm just snipping that. And now since I've done that, that piece is cut. And now I'm coming over to the other side, and I'm going to snip this wire. Make sure I get behind the hole. You want to make sure that you have a solid piece of ductwork with no holes in it where you cut it at. So I'm just going to cut about right here with the wire cutters. I'm going to cut that. Then I'm going to kind of rip this piece off of here. And then go ahead and cut another piece of it. So now that that's all cut, this right here is an actual piece that has the hole that was inside of it. That's right here. So I can go ahead and get rid of that piece. And now what I want to do is take my other two pieces. I could make this look a little neater, but this is actually going over top of my connector. And I'm going to be connecting these two ends like this. So what you want to know first of all is what size ductwork is this? What size Flexworks is this? Like this happens to be size 8. So what you want to do is get the same size connectors that you can get from like Home Depot, Lowe's, any kind of a hardware store. Most of the time I sell these connectors. Since this is size 8 ductwork, then I want to use a size 8 connector to connect these two pieces together. So it's pretty simple. What you want to do is just kind of pull out the ductwork from one side. Make sure you get it solid where there's no holes in it. You want to slide it up like this. You'll see like a little spot that's sticking out in the middle that kind of tells you each side. So I want to push this one to here. Then once I do that, what I want to do is I want to take my tape. I want to take my my ductwork tape and tape this down. Let me get my tape. Alright, so what I want to do now is, first of all, make sure that the piece of ductwork over here has no holes or nothing inside of it. What I'm going to do now is take like a piece of tape and kind of wrap it all the way around. This is actually tape that's used for HVAC type stuff, so make sure you get the correct kind of a tape. You want to take the tape and you basically want to wrap it all the way around on here. I'm not going to do it, but that's what you want to do, is wrap it all the way around. Then you want to cut the tape off. So once you got that wrapped, the next thing you want to do is take you a strap. You want to get you one of these straps like this. All this stuff is pretty much sold in the same location inside of the Home Depot or Lowe's where you buy it at. And you basically want to take the strap and you want to strap this down nice and tight. And you want to strap this down nice and tight on top of your connector. Then what you want to do, once you get this side all taped up and strapped down, use a strap. Then you want to do the exact same thing for the other side. You want to take the other piece of ductwork, you want to go inside of it, and you want to make sure that you get the inside lining. I'm going to go ahead and pull this one back out because we don't need this one now. So it's the same process again. You basically just want to take the inside lining like this. Make sure you pull it all the way out. So get the inside lining of this one. So pull back the installation. And then you want to take the other side of it. Make sure also there's no holes. If so, just cut it back some more. And you want to do the exact same thing, which is put the other side, make it inside like that, in the connector. So what you should have when you're done with it is both sides like this going over this connector, coming together pretty much like that, where you pretty much can't see the connector anymore. And once you got that done, you put a strap, put the tape on this side, you put your straps around this side. Then what you want to do is actually pull your installation back up, and you want to put another strap on the outside of the installation holding on the connector. And then you want to pull this side together to where it comes together like it's a solid piece now. Then you want to put also a few more straps on this side and on this side. So what you've basically done is you cut the piece out that had a hole in it, and now you've connected the two good ends together now to make one solid piece. Once again, this is how you would cut out a hole that you had in a piece of ductwork that your air was escaping from, and then put the two good pieces back together. Or if, say, you had a piece of ductwork and it's not long enough to reach your vent or to your furnace, and you needed to add, you would do the exact same thing just by splicing one end of this piece onto the other end of this piece to save. So once again, thanks for watching, and please subscribe and check out our other great videos. Thanks.